Hey, welcome back to our channel. Here we will talk about passive income ideas that actually work. Imagine making money even when you're not actively working. That's the promise of passive income, and it's more attainable than you might think. Let's explore some realistic strategies to build streams of income that work for you, even while you sleep. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with businesses and promoting their products. When someone purchases through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a great way to leverage an existing audience or build one around a specific niche. Start by identifying products or services you genuinely believe in. Then create content, blog posts, videos, social media updates that showcase their value. Transparency is key. Always disclose your affiliate relationship to maintain trust. Digital products offer incredible passive income potential. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, or software. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly with minimal ongoing effort. Identify a problem you can solve or a skill you can teach. Package your knowledge into a valuable digital product. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it easy to host and sell your creations. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. By investing in these stocks, you can earn regular income without actively trading. It's a long-term strategy that requires careful research. Focus on companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. Reinvesting those dividends can further accelerate your returns over time. Remember that stock values can fluctuate, so diversification is crucial. Real estate can be a powerful source of passive income. Renting out a property provides a steady stream of cash flow. However, it also involves upfront investment and ongoing management. Consider factors like location, property type, and potential rental yield. Hiring a property manager can alleviate the day-to-day responsibilities. Thoroughly screen tenants to minimize potential issues. Building a blog or YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it can lead to significant passive income. Through advertising, sponsorships, and selling your own products, you can monetize your content. Consistency is key to growing your audience. Choose a niche you're passionate about and create high-quality content. Engage with your audience and build a community. Explore different monetization strategies to find what works best for you. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with investors. You can lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on your loans. It offers potentially higher returns than traditional savings accounts, but also carries risk. Research different lending platforms and understand their risk assessment processes. Diversify your loans across multiple borrowers to mitigate potential losses. Be aware that borrowers may default on their loans. Passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building sustainable income streams over time. It requires effort up front, but the rewards can be substantial. Explore these ideas, find what resonates with you, and start building your passive income portfolio today.